This video will explain how to synchronize the geometry from Rhino with CAALA. On the far right, you see a tab showing all different layers in the model and the individual surfaces, with the orientation and the size of the surface. CAALA gets this information from Rhino. In the Rhino example, we see some layers that have been predefined in the example. If you start a new project or you want to have additional layers, you can create them from the Grasshopper interface. In Grasshopper, we looked at number 1, how to start the CAALA. Number 2 will allow you to toggle between the languages German and English to create the layers in the right name. So now they're selected to German, but I can create now English layers. Then you can select number 3, which means which planning phase. Are we on the preliminary planning or the blueprint planning? Once we have set this information, we can press the button Create Layers. If we then switch to Rhino, we see a number of layers have been created. If I want to change the layer that has been assigned, for example, I would like to select this light green wall should be also the same material as the lower part. Then I can select this and either click Change Object Layer or go to the properties of this object and select the layer here. Now to account for this change, I need to do two things. I need to go into the Grasshopper window and press number 5. Click the Update button after every change of the geometry. Then the new information is sent to the CAALA interface. For CAALA to recognize it, we also need to press the Sync Model button on the upper left corner. Then the new information will be read in and we now see one wall more that has been assigned. So whenever you do any changes in the geometry in Rhino, make sure you click both buttons in the Grasshopper interface and also the Sync Model in the CAALA form. All material changes that are done in CAALA are automatically accounted for example, changing the insulation. So only the change of any geometry needs to be updated manually.